Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can save the photos or even videos or any other kind of files from your Google Drive into your gallery or your PC folder. Now to do so, first of all, make sure you are logged in into Google Drive and then make sure you have selected the file that you want to download. After selecting the file, all you need to do is hover your mouse over the file and click on it. Once you click on it, you can see that it is now highlighted. Now after you do so, you can see all of these options on top appear as well. From here, there is a download option as well. Simply click on the download button and you can see that as it is scanning for viruses. Now it will also be downloaded. Here you can see that the download process has already even been finished. And now you will be able to find the finished project in the downloads folder of your PC. So guys, that is how you can save the photos, videos from your Google Drive directly into the gallery of your PC or laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.